You're about to get access to the most easy, fast, simple, and proven formula to earn passive multiple income streams 100% for free. And yes, this step-by-step proven formula will work for you even if you've never made a single cent online, even if you've got no online experience whatsoever, and even if you can only work a few hours per week. In fact, don't take my word for it. Here's what some of our members are saying right now. Hey, it's Chuck here and welcome to My Online Startup, a place to learn, start and grow your very own six-figure online business in 2020. Now, more specifically, when you become a free member today, you're going to discover exactly how you can earn six figures online by becoming an authority super affiliate, how you can earn autopilot multiple income streams by giving stuff away for free, and how you can live life on your own terms, working only a few hours per week. Now again, don't take my word for it. Instead, I want you to decide for yourself if what I'm saying is 100% true or absolute BS. So here's what I want you to do right now. First, put away your credit card because there's absolutely nothing to buy. Second, fill in the registration form to create your free account to our free education platform. Third, verify your email address to activate your login details to our membership. And lastly, go through our membership and judge for yourself if what I'm saying is true or BS. In fact, here's a quick overview of what you're about to get free access to. First, you're going to get free access to our free course showing you exactly what you need to do step by step to build your very own six-figure online business in 2020 from scratch. I guarantee you right here and right now that our carefully engineered free course that you're getting access to is better, easier, simpler, and a lot more effective than any other online course you've bought online. In fact, I even dare say that this course alone could be sold for thousands of dollars and we still have raving customers because it's actually that good. So all I ask from you is to just commit to our course and actually take action on everything you're about to learn. You'll be able to watch our easy to follow video lessons, take notes using our inbuilt note-taking feature, keep track of where you're up to with our complete lessons and progress bar feature, discuss certain lessons with other members of the community, and most importantly, follow a unique action plan to get results fast. Look, the bottom line is this: create your account, access our free course, take massive action, and I promise you, your life will never ever be the same ever again. Second, you're going to get free access to our free community where you can connect, network, and mastermind with other members. You see, the truth is building an online business by yourself is extremely hard and chances are you will fail. But if you surround yourself with like-minded entrepreneurs who share the same goals as you, success is pretty much just around the corner. From getting inspired, motivated, encouraged, supported to just straight up determined to succeed no matter what, that's what a tight-knit community of like-minded entrepreneurs can do for you. The bottom line is this: with our members only community, you'll always be supported, you'll always get your questions answered, and you'll always be motivated to take massive action to get results fast. Lastly, you're going to get free access to our brand new Learn to Earn program, where you can literally get paid easy commissions without investing a single cent. Now, more specifically, to ensure you and all our members succeed in building an online business with My Online Startup, I'm actually willing to pay you to go through our free course, pay you to engage in our community, and pretty much pay you to build your own online business. Now, I won't reveal too much about our Learn to Earn program here, but just know that if you've never made money online before, you definitely will make money with our Learn to Earn program. This I guarantee you. So again, to get free access to our free education platform, here's what you need to do right now. First, put away your credit card because there's absolutely nothing to buy. Second, fill in the registration form to create your free account to our free education platform. Third, verify your email address to activate your login details to our membership. And lastly, go through our membership and judge for yourself if what I'm saying is true or BS. Now, if you're still here watching this video, you're probably thinking, why on earth did Chuck create My Online Startup and why is he giving it away for free? Well, you see, here's the thing. I've been scammed so many times since I started my online business back in 2012. And to be honest, I'm actually pretty sick and tired of seeing good people being forced to waste their money on courses, programs, companies, and any magic software that simply do not work. You see, the industry is changing and everyone is trying to make a quick buck selling dreams with false promises. And it's honestly not fair for good people like you who waste their hard-earned money on this type of crap. That's why I decided to do what no one else dares to do, which is to create a free education platform where anyone can join, learn, start and grow their very own six-figure online business in 2020. You see, the truth is, I believe the online industry needs to change. What it needs is more honesty, more transparency, and just straight up more caring. You see, while every guru out there is focused on automated bots, automated support, and automated systems, we at My Online Startup focus on interactive training, a tight-knit learning community, and only up-to-date proven strategies. I promise you right now, you will definitely love our free education platform, and trust me when I say you have not seen anything like what you're about to get free access to. So for the last time, here's what you need to do right now. First, put away your credit card because there's absolutely nothing to buy. Second, fill in the registration form to create your free account to our free education platform. Third, verify your email address to activate your login details to our membership. And lastly, go through our membership and judge for yourself if what I'm saying is true or BS. Again, my name is Chuck. Thanks for watching this video and I look forward to working with you inside our education platform. I'll see you on the inside.